My name is H.C. Morris. This is my 57 Corvette. Started working on it in 2006. A friend of mine found it in a field in West Virginia. No motor, no transmission. The frame was completely rusted out. That's what we started with. We put the tube frame in it, and then we put the C4 Corvette suspension underneath of it. We put a new exhaust system on it because they came out underneath the bumpers in the back called bumperette. They were only 1 7/8, so we built a new exhaust, 2.5 inch, had it ceramic coated. And the motor is an LS1. The motor and the transmission 6-speed. They were out of a 99 Firebird. The carbon fiber cover on the motor was made by a guy who makes helicopter parts out in Texas. Air cleaner, I don't know if I told you that or not, but we took two 90-degree elbow exhausts, 3 inch, cut them in half, welded them back together, chromed it, can-in filters on it. The car only weighs 2,540 pounds. It runs pretty good. The interior is called Venetian red, but it's always been orange to me. For me to fit in it, because I'm an old fat man with arthritis, I had to move the steering column up 1.5 inches, so we had to rebuild the whole firewall. And then I took the runners out from underneath the seat, so it's just sitting flat on the floor. And that's why somebody like me can drive it up and down the road.